very good evening to all our viewers. Welcome to Media Plus News. The Shillong Airport at Umroi once again commenced its operations today with Flybig Airlines' first bi-weekly direct flight from Delhi to Shillong and back to New Delhi. Speaking at the inauguration of Flybig's operations at Umroi Airport, Meghalaya's Transport Minister Shri Snehophalang, who had taken the first flight from New Delhi to Shillong, said that Flybig would take time to operate its own aircraft but has made arrangements for the 75-seater Bombardier Q400 aircraft to operate as a chartered flight. This is as per the agreement made between the Meghalaya government and Flybig's Big Charter Private Limited.
Today is the first day that our beloved state is connected by air with the national capital, Delhi. Please let us give a big hand to all of us. Yes, what CS point is very right. As per the schedule of this time, maybe today is the launching program, which is a very, very long awaited issue for so many years. And as per agreement with the Flybig is the flight should travel twice a week, which will start from 4th January. But I think a time will come, they have to start daily, I think. We need that.